Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Lean Six Sigma. I am Mohit Sharma, your mentor and coach on Lean Six Sigma issues and problems. Today we are going to talk about what is 5S and how it can be implemented in IT domain. It has been proven over the past years that it has been effectively utilized in the manufacturing industry, but now as we are progressing and moving towards the application of 5S in the software as well as in the IT industry, so this video will help you understand how you can do that in an effective way. So before we go ahead, let us understand what is 5S. The 5S is a workplace orderliness tool. It is a system for organizing spaces so work can be performed effectively, efficiently and safely. As I already said that this tool can also be used in business operations with effectiveness. So IT is also one of the business operations. It is a Japanese term and when it is translated in English, the 5S stands for sort, set in order, shine, standardize and sustain. Let us take this example. One of the implementation of 5S has reduced the number of servers required in an IT industry. The team followed the first step as sorting of data. They checked each server and they checked the storage space used on each of these servers, and they audited which of these databases which are not being utilized in the last 2 years, and those databases were removed as the first step, which is sorting. Second one is set in order. As part of the second step, they have to rearrange the database in order of their priorities. And the third step was shine. All the teams were asked to clean their databases. All the non-relevant information was removed from these databases and their sizes were reduced. So cleaning was done as the third step. Fourth step was to standardize. A standardized process of adding a new database to a server was created, and then the team consolidated all the databases. They released 13 servers out of 67. Sustain. How did the team sustain this particular initiative? Whenever the server utilization goes below 75%, the team used to receive an automated email. So this will trigger the consolidation process of the servers again, and whenever the utilization goes below 75%, team will try and consolidate these servers and they will not buy a new server to put a new database. They will always try and accommodate new databases on the existing servers itself. So with the help of this, the team was able to save 13 servers, and which reduced a lot of hardware cost as well as the software cost. The licenses also were reduced with the help of 5S. So friends, I hope you would have understood the 5S concept in IT industry. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. I will see you in my next upcoming video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.